When your doctor goes home, is your doctor still thinking about you? When your doctor is sleeping, is your doctor dreaming about you? When your doctor is eating their meal, is your doctor thinking about you and what you're eating at your meal? Well, I can tell you that I'm your doctor. I am here to help you heal. My name is Liberty, and I do all those things. When you're at home, I'm thinking about you. When I'm on camera, I'm thinking about you, but when I'm not on camera, I'm thinking about you. I'm thinking about how I can help you. When I turn the camera off, I'm still thinking about you. When I go to sleep, I'm still dreaming about you. When I eat my food, I'm thinking about you and what are you eating? And how can I be a better example? How can I eat the best food available for me right now that's going to help me be healthy so that I can continue to serve you and be the best example for you? Because you are my life. You are the reason why I wake up in the morning. You are the reason why I started my business. You are the reason why I eat the foods that I eat. And you're the reason why I do everything I do, because I want you to heal. I live my life to serve you. So thank you for being here with me. It's a big responsibility. I know it sounds like it's a big job. I know it sounds impossible, but I'm up for the challenge. And I know that I can do all things through Christ who strengthens me. I'm here to serve you. I'm here to help you. Live long and prosper, even as your soul prospers. You're worth it. Eat healthy all year round, even on Christmas.
You're worth it. Follow.